If you're going to school, I'm sure you want an amazing new school year in which you get good grades, keep yourself healthy, and generally have a great time. So I've prepared a list of things you should prep for the new school year before it begins. Let's load in. Hi friends, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm Iris, and in today's video I want to talk about what you should prepare for the new school year. First things first, get your workspace organized. A clean room equals a clean mind. I mean, I'm not the best example, okay? Like, I'm probably the messiest person you would ever meet. I have this office in which I'm recording and my bedroom, and they're both a complete mess, and I could never keep them like clean, and I really hope that this summer I'll be able to really put this into practice, to get my workspace and like generally my life organized so that my clean room would equal a clean mind, because I feel like my mind is never really completely organized because I have like this thing at the back of my head saying, you need to organize your room, Iris. What are you doing? Why are you watching Netflix? You can watch Netflix while organizing your room, while cleaning it. What the heck are you doing? What do you think you're doing? What? Just what? Just what? So, let's just say I have a little bit too much experience with this, and I feel like this summer is the perfect time to really get this all organized and get my workspace organized, as also I'm going to go to 10th grade this year, meaning next year, summer, I'll already have to worry about many more things because it's like really the finals exams are coming in year 11 and year 12, in which I will be busy in the summers studying. So I feel like this is the perfect time, and also this is your reminder to really go ahead and clean your freaking rooms. Or room. Okay. I'm sorry, this is just something that I'm really passionate about, so I'm like, bam, 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 get this done. Sorry. Anyway, next. Take care of your sleep schedule. I feel like sleep is very important. Not to just feel like. I know that sleep is very important. And so, even though it's the summer and stuff, and like you can sleep in, and like obviously it's something, a part of the summer, it's part of the fun of having the summer vacation. I feel like just get yourself a sleep schedule that is still like letting you sleep in late, go to bed late, but like keep at least 8 hours of sleep in your summer days. And so around like a week or two before school starts, start like going to bed earlier and waking up earlier, like setting your alarms 15 minutes earlier each day until you get to your desired wake up time and bedtime. Meaning, for example, I want to wake up at 6:30 a.m. every single morning, and to get 8 hours of sleep I need to go to bed at 10:30 p.m. That means that I need to really take it into considerations. Okay, I want to not wake up at 6:30 in the middle of the summer. Cool, understood. But I do want to like not have a complete 360 transaction between the summer sleep schedule that I have and the school year sleep schedule that I had, which is the problem that I experienced in this previous year. So what I'm planning to do is currently wake up at 8:30, 2 hours after the wake up time that I want for the school year, and go to bed whenever I want, but preferably even at the same time that I want to go during the school year, because that way I'll get more hours of sleep, which is great, and be energetic during the summer days, which is cool. So yeah, I feel like really go ahead and figure out how many hours of sleep you should sleep, which is at least 7 or 8. And like really take care of it. Set alarms. I don't care. Go ahead and take care of a sleep schedule, because sleep is very important, and without it you don't have energy, and then you can't like do anything really. So go ahead and fix it, okay? Go ahead and fix your sleep schedule. Next, I want you to really go ahead, set goals, and get to know how to manage your time. So basically, as for the goal setting, you will really have a target in your mind if you set goals, a target that you can focus on. So for example, what I said earlier about my workspace, about my sleep schedule and all of that, that is my target. Those are my goals. That means I'm going to work towards them rather than just go blindly at something. I want to have a plan. I want to know whatever the heck I'm going to go through, and figure it out before I go through it, so that when I do go through it, I have less challenges. I'm going to think about the challenges before they happen, so that when they do happen, I know how to get out of them. You know what I mean? And as for the time management is a very important thing, and especially during the school year. If you learn how to manage your time in a way that fits you during the summer, that means during the school year you'll barely have to worry about it, because you will kind of do it automatically. And even if it won't be automatic, you will still already have it all figured out as much as possible, obviously, rather than just start figuring out figuring it out during like the school year, and then you might have too many things going on. You're figuring this out, you're figuring out how to study for the exam, blah 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 blah, and then you'll get overwhelmed and want to give up on everything that you have. No, let's do it in the summer, which leads me to go ahead and follow this channel, like subscribe, and click the bell, because I'm uploading videos about time management, improving your lifestyle, blah blah blah, everything really. And on my Instagram, timelyiris, I post many tips relating to exactly what I'm talking about on this YouTube channel, but other points that I don't cover, so that these kind of go together. So yeah. They'll all be linked in the description, so you can check them out. Anyways, next thing is really go ahead and buy all the books and supplies you need, so that you can revise on your books ahead of time and really have it all prepared. That way you're not stuck in a rush of like trying to buy so many things when they're already gone from the stores, and then during the school year you need to worry about getting them. Why didn't you get them? Blah 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 blah. Maybe you forgot about them at all. Maybe you'll never get something that you need for the exam, whatever, because you don't have time. No, let's do it right now, and then you can also take your books and revise ahead of time, so that in the school year you're a little more prepared. You already know something about what you're going to be learning, and that way you already have a little bit of the material covered, which is great. And relating to that, on my timelyiris Instagram, I have a new post posted especially for this video, which is some things that you should buy, some recommendations of mine. I even have like pens, pencils, notebooks, books, and whatever there, just because it's so easy to forget about like buying these simple things, simple obvious things when you're at the store, because they think, oh, I need this, because those are so like unusual and like they come to your mind. But here are some things that, for example, pens. I literally forgot to buy some pens last year. I'm not kidding when I'm saying that. I forgot to buy pens, and then like I needed to find random pens at my house because I didn't have any. You know what I mean? I wrote a list just so you don't have to like worry about getting everything last minute and forgetting stupid things like me. Yay. And one final thing that I think you should really get ready during the summer is study the things that you don't completely get, because really, for example, I really struggled with math this year, and I have so many things that I don't understand, and I don't know how I got to the best math class for these next 3 years, because I feel like this year I didn't like show that I deserve it. But whatever, thank you to my teacher. Thank you, I love her. She's really good. Anyway, I feel like this summer is the best time for me to really go over all the materials that I don't understand and figure them out. That way, next year, when I'm back at school, I'll be able to understand it. I'll struggle less because I already practiced it and caught up with the rest of the class. If you have something that you don't have fully figured out, take a little bit of time off of your vacation. I know it will be sad. I know. But go ahead and do your schoolwork and cover up with all of the things, catch up with all of the things that you aren't completely sure about, because it will really help you during the school year. I promise you that. Like, pinky swear, okay? Pinky swear. So yeah, real final thing is I want you to really have fun. This is the summer, after all. And during the school year, unfortunately, we have less fun because we have school. So really have fun during this summer, because I don't know, it's just, this is a vacation. Go ahead and enjoy it. You know what I mean? Just go ahead and enjoy it. Don't forget that you do deserve this vacation after the whole school year, academic year, whatever you're studying, wherever you're studying. You deserve this vacation. So go ahead and really enjoy it, adding in the studying aspects, but enjoy it. Don't let it like go as if it wasn't worth it. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below really what you would determine your workspace to be. Clean, organized, really needing to be organized. What is it? I feel like that would help motivate me and possibly motivate you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.